Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking my new client and we're going to do a double process color, meaning we're going to bleach her entire head and then apply her gloss, and we're going red today. So first things first, I'm going to mix up my bleach, and I'm going to of course use Olaplex to make sure that we are not over processing her hair and we're keeping her hair intact and keeping those curls curling. So I'm going in my bleach firstly on those ends and the mid shaft of her hair, because as you can see from those ends, she's already been applying red to her hair. She says it's her go-to, and she's been going in with like a semi-permanent hair color like Adore, the brand. And she just goes in with that red every so often. So I want to make sure that I hit those mid shaft and the ends of her hair first with the bleach so that we can lift off all that color buildup. As you can see, this is the color buildup that she's been doing on a semi-permanent color. One thing to take note is that these colors that you get at a drugstore or like Target or what have you, they have salts in them that attaches to the keratin of our hair, which makes it so difficult for it to come out. So you want to make sure that when you are coloring your hair, you go to a professional, because professional hair color does not do that, which makes it easier to go from light to dark or dark to light, because this color is not attached to your hair and making it so difficult. So color buildup is a thing, and if she wanted to go any other color besides red, it was going to be a no-go today. So thankfully for us, this color buildup worked in our favor. And now I'm just going back in with the bleach on her scalp. And then because I know that her scalp hasn't had much of this red color on it, so it is going to lift more natural than those ends. As you can see, the ends and the mid shaft are so red, but then you'll see in just a bit that her roots are yellow, and that's how it will naturally lift. But because it had all that red in it, it definitely has all that red still. So color buildup is crazy, y'all. And now I'm going in with my gloss, and this toner, like y'all see in just a moment, it is my favorite red formula, because it is just like, it's not like fire engine red, it's not like Ronald McDonald red. This is like a deep, sexy, like it has like a hint of blue kind of red. It's giving like Ruby Woo. But if you haven't already, make sure to grab my free Curly Girl Planner. The link is in the description. It's just going to help you get your hair back on track. If you just need like some help building your regimen or some products and tool suggestions, it's all free. Link in description. Look at this color. You can see what I was talking about with the Ruby Woo and like the deep depth of the red. It's just like something so like dark and mysterious about it. It's very sexy. It's my favorite red. Okay, I'm going in with my emergency miracle treatment. This is my leave-in. I want to make sure her hair is moisturized after the bleaching process, so we can make sure that her hair stays moisturized. We're gonna do a wash and go today, so I'm making sure that I am saturating her curls with water. I'm going in with my amplifying foam. I love a foam because it's so moisturizing, but it still has a hold. And then I'm following up with my versatile styling cream, which is more like a gel, so it just has more of a hold without the stiffness, but then the cream also provides the moisture. So I'm going in and I'm finger detangling and finger shingling so I get that curl definition. But then I'm going to go in on the individual curls, the individual clumps, and I'm just going to twist those about 2-3 times just to help define it, especially after being bleached. I want to help the curls remember how to define, how to curl. And then look at this wash and go with the sexy deep red. I'm obsessed. We loved it. And I didn't even get to show y'all the cut, but you know, the hair is sitting. We're obsessed. We love it. Yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next.